Thankfully, I fixed the screen. Look at this TV. I took 6 hours. It's off, but I repair it. Look at this. So look when I turn it on it. Let me turn it on it. Yup, it fixed. Let me connect that thing on the this thing. HDMI 3. Yep, let's go. Yep. Same as my car. This is the India version. Look. This car reminds me to the car I crashed on the tree. I have the same car. It's called 2017 Toyota Innova. The brand is Toyota, but it's 2017 model. Me and my sister Lauryn, I'm driving, and she wanna give me a hug and kiss, but I don't care. I'm speeding up like absolutely maniac, and I lost control, and I hit on the curb, and the car went flying, and the driver's side with the back seat side, the thing ended up on the tree, and the car was started normally. Okay? It reminded me to my car. This is manual, but mine is automatic. Now I make it to color change because I hate the white. Soon, I will not replace it manual. I will put Ford Explorer 2020, the ring gear shifter, and I will add clutch. Okay, I will add clutch because I really need clutch, the actual one. I'm not joking. I'm going to modify it.